Here's how to buy virtual real estate in Decentraland, Mana for complete beginners. Welcome to your favorite channel, Smart Tech Ideas, and today not only are we here to explain complex crypto and metaverse contents to you, but also we are here to tell you step by step on how to be a virtual estate holder that has made millionaires out of so many people. Let's waste no more time and get straight into the video. Check out Decentraland if you still don't believe in the metaverse, open world metaverse. On Decentraland, you can do whatever you wish with the territory you acquire. This allows gamers and business people all over the world to unleash their creativity. This is a one-of-a-kind project in a hitherto untapped market. Decentraland is an Ethereum-based metaverse game that encourages participants from around the world to collaborate to administer a shared virtual environment. Decentraland's smart contracts are created by blockchain experts Meilich and Esteban Ordano. The project was launched by both founders in 2020, and it is now managed by a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. Users of Decentraland can purchase and sell digital real estate, explore the virtual realm, and play games. Users can now use interactive apps, make in-world payments, and communicate with one another because the platform has evolved. Decentraland is also a completely immersive virtual environment, similar to Skyrim and Fallout. However, you will not be able to play on a two-dimensional screen. You'll instead be immersed in a three-dimensional environment. The virtual world stimulates innovative approaches to digital ownership and provides online venues, such as museums where people can display non-changing digital art. Decentraland appears to be the logical next step before creating full-fledged AI games in the real world. This essay will explain how Decentraland works, how to purchase metaverse virtual land, and why Mana is so bullish. There are three native Decentraland tokens: Estate, an ERC-721 token that represents merging bits of digital land; Land, an ERC-721 non-fungible token that represents pieces of digital land; and Mana, the platform's official currency, are the platform's native tokens. Let's discuss the distinctions between ERC-20 and ERC-721 tokens before we look at how Decentraland's tokens power its digital economy. Because Mana and other ERC-20 tokens can be traded for other ERC-20 tokens, they are referred to as fungible tokens. Similarly, each Mana token is identical and cannot be distinguished from the others. Mana is a suitable choice for a Decentraland in-world money because of these factors. ERC-721 tokens, like Land and Estate, on the other hand, differ from one another in some aspects. They're dubbed NFT since they can't be used in place of each other. This means they can't be used to buy things in-world, but they may be used to create unique goods like avatars, wearables, and land. Three smart contracts specify the properties of Mana, Land, and Estate: the Mana token, the Land Registry, and the Estate Registry contracts. Land chunks, which can be purchased for Mana in the marketplace, make up all of Decentraland's virtual space. At the marketplace, you may also purchase clothing, shoes, and other accessories for your avatar. Because the Ethereum blockchain records all transactions, you can use it to keep track of all the digital property you acquire in Decentraland. If you own virtual land, you can create money-making digital settings and programs, such as games and themed communities. A collection of adjacent land parcels can be combined to form an estate. A business named Rarible has put up virtual offices and art galleries in Decentraland. There have also been a number of virtual conferences and real estate investments in Decentraland. How can I purchase Mana, Decentraland? Mana can be purchased and sold on exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken. We'll show you how to get Mana on these platforms in the sections below. How to purchase Mana on Coinbase? To purchase Mana on Coinbase, follow these steps. Firstly, create a Coinbase account. Begin by downloading the Coinbase app and creating an account. You'll need a valid ID and possibly evidence of residency to conduct business. Checking your ID may take more than a few minutes depending on where you live. Secondly, include a payment option. To link a payment method, tap the Payment Method box. You can pay with a bank account, a debit card, or a wire transfer, for example. And to begin a trade, select Decentraland from the list of assets. Choose Buy from the drop-down menu. Type Decentraland into the search bar to locate Decentraland. If Decentraland appears in the search results, tap it to be taken to the purchase page. Enter the amount you want to spend. Enter the amount you want to spend in your own currency using the number pad. The program will immediately convert this to a Decentraland amount. When you're ready, tap Preview Buy to complete your purchase. The specifics of your purchase will be displayed. You can complete your order after double-checking that everything appears good. So, Decentraland is now in your portfolio. On the Kraken, where can I get mana? Follow these steps to purchase mana on Kraken. Create a Kraken account here. To secure your account, enter your email address, a new username, and a strong password. Keep an eye on your account. You can buy mana with cryptocurrencies like Ethereum after providing your name, date of birth, country of residence, and phone number, ETH. If you want to use fiat, you'll need to provide more proof to our experts that you are who you claim to be. That is, US dollar or euro. Put money down. There are several ways to fund your Kraken account. Where you are and what you desire will determine your method. Purchase mana. Once you have funds in your account, you can purchase mana. You'll also have access to all of Kraken's charting tools, as well as 24-hour customer assistance and the ability to employ margin trading at this time. All of these factors contribute to the popularity of Kraken among traders all around the world. How do you store mana? Mana tokens can be stored in two ways. The first is a hardware wallet, which is ideal for storing mana for a long time. They are extremely safe and cannot be broken, and because they are not online. Mana is compatible with two hardware wallets on the market. The Ledger Nano S and Ledger Nano X are the two models. The Nano S is designed for beginners and just contains the functions necessary to keep Bitcoin safe. The Nano X is more advanced because it has a larger screen and Bluetooth, among other features. A software wallet is the second alternative for storing mana tokens, which is a viable solution for short-term storage. How do I get a piece of Decentraland real estate? The places you visit and the things you do in Decentraland are referred to as land. These non-transferable digital assets are purchased in the game. Once you possess a piece of land, you can do whatever you want with it. Games, apps, gambling services, and even dynamic 3D scenarios are all possibilities. But why should that be the last word? Land-based services can be established in fields such as education, professional development, tourism, and so on, even if it is not its primary purpose. If you wish to learn how to buy products in Decentraland, follow the steps below. How to purchase Decentraland property. Sign up. The first step is to sign in or create an account on Decentraland's marketplace if you haven't previously. Go to Parcels and Estates and select View All after checking in. Select a plot of land. The next step is to examine the various plots of property and select the one that appeals to you the most. You may see the adjacent sites and how close they are to famous places if you buy land in Decentraland directly from the marketplace. You can click on a piece of virtual property to learn more about it after you've chosen it. You can learn how much land costs in mana, whether it is available, and who owns it. Tap Buy to make a purchase. Join the Decentraland marketplace with your wallet. Make sure your wallet is linked to your account before purchasing the land. The land will be given to your wallet as an NFT after the transaction is complete and successful. Remember that the transaction will only go through if you have enough mana or Ethereum in your wallet. To cover the cost of the gas, you'll need some more tokens. Validate your virtual land. You can confirm your land on your wallet as soon as the transaction is completed. If you're using a trust wallet, you may check this in your MetaMask wallets, collectibles, and NFTs pages. How much does Decentraland real estate cost? The cheapest land parcels in Decentraland currently cost around 4,000 mana, 3.7 Ethereum. However, once a user purchases land, they own it until another user wishes to purchase it. Because the tokens can only be used once, this is the case. Mana, on the other hand, is fungible, as we've already stated. This means that if a user has a lot of it, they can sell it to anyone who needs it, even new land buyers. Thanks for watching this video. That was from today's video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also, do subscribe to this channel to support it. Stay up to date with us for more next time. We will see you soon.